I proud on you. Now, I am proud on you. It is still incorrect. The correct way to say this sentence is I am proud of you. I do my homework. Not to say I write my homework. Some of the people say I write my homework. That is incorrect. Instead of this, you have to say I do my homework. This is all because of what? This is because of collocation. So in this video, we're going to study 13 important collocations where some of the people make mistakes. First, let's know what a collocation is. A collocation is a natural combination of words. Sometimes we combine words in English according to their meanings in our native language. But actually, in English, other words fit well together, and using them correctly makes your English sound better. If you are ready, let's begin. Number one, do a decision and make a decision. Do a decision is incorrect. Instead, you have to say make a decision. Take a decision can also be used, but the difference between make a decision and take a decision is that take a decision is less common and is used in British English only, and make a decision is widely accepted and used in both British and American English. Number two, heavy wind, strong wind. Heavy wind is incorrect. Instead, we have to say strong wind. Number three, heavy rain, strong rain. Strong rain is incorrect. Instead, we have to say heavy rain. What it means is that the word heavy is used with rain and the word strong is used with wind. Number four, say a joke, tell a joke. Do not say a joke. Say tell a joke. Tell a joke is correct and say a joke is incorrect. Number five, say the truth or tell the truth. Say the truth is incorrect. Instead, we have to say tell the truth. Tell the truth is correct and say the truth is incorrect. Number six, do an effort, make an effort. Do an effort is an incorrect collocation. Instead, we have to say make an effort. Number seven, give an exam, take an exam. Give an exam is incorrect. Take an exam is correct. Give an exam can also be correct, but for a teacher, I have also recorded a video and I have shared it on our Facebook page and YouTube channel. Then you can watch it for further information uh, about the difference between take an exam and give an exam. For a student, we must say take an exam, not give an exam. Number eight, do noise or make noise. Do noise is incorrect and make noise is a correct collocation. Number nine, do a job, have a job. Do a job is incorrect in this context and have a job is correct. Do a job can also be correct, but while using it for a specific task to do for someone. For example, I want to do a job for my boss today. It does not refer to the job you usually do. Number 10, do a business, run a business. Do a business is incorrect and run a business is correct. Number 11, eat medicine, take medicine. Eat medicine is an incorrect collocation. Instead, we have to say take medicine. Number 12, close the light, turn off the light. Close the light is incorrect. Do not use the word close with the light. Use turn off the light. Finally, number 13, open the TV, turn off the TV. Do not use the word open and close for TV or other electric devices. Use turn on and turn off. Please write down examples and 3 collocations of them in the comments and subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you in the next video.